Hello students, today we study about birth control. How can we control the birth? The population is a major problem of the all worlds because it the harmful for the society and the resources are limited, so we all have our responsibility to reduce or minimize the population day by day. So then various methods are used or techniques are used for the controlling of birth. Number one, natural methods. Second, barrier methods. Third, IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive devices. Hormonal methods. Surgical methods. First of all, we know natural methods. How we can control population or birth by the natural methods. Various techniques are used in these methods. Number one, periodic abstinence. Withdrawal. Lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea. So first of all, we know periodic abstinence. What is periodic abstinence? In these techniques, the inhibits or protect us during the periods of ovulation, generally 10 to 17 days. Withdrawal or coitus interruption. In these methods, before ejaculation, withdraw the penis. Lactational amenorrhea. During the lactation period, generally it was observe that the ovulation does not take place. Generally 6 months after lactation, the ovulation does not take place, so it is mean that it's the safe periods for the coitus, for mating. Next method, barrier methods. In these methods, various types of barriers are used for the preventing the mating of sperm and ovum during the mating, that is loops, condoms, etc. IUCD, IUCDR, also known as IUD, intrauterine contraceptive devices. क्या है ये devices? Intrauterine contraceptive devices. The devices which are inserted are used in the uterus region or cervical region. Cervical, the part of uterus, lower part of uterus is called intrauterine contraceptive devices. It's a different type, medicated, non-medicated. Various examples of IUCD, that is copper T, copper 7, the copper T composed of copper metals which kiss the sperm and inhibit the meeting of sperm and ovum. Hormonal methods. In these methods, generally oral pills are used which are made up of hormones, estrogen or progesterone or estrogen progesterone combination. These pills are taken by the human female regularly, daily or weekly. There are different types. The hormones inhibits the ovulation. हार्मोन्स क्या करता है? ओवल्यूशन नहीं होने से जिससे ओवम रिलीज नहीं होगा और फिर स्पर्म और ओवम का फ्यूजन। एग्जाम्पल में मालाडी, सहेली। Maladi is the regularly taken, where the Saheli is weekly taken. Saheli, the special feature is it is non-steroids. It is not harmful. Very safe oral pills which are used in the birth control. Surgical methods. It is two types. Vasectomy and second is tubectomy. Vasectomy In this methods, the vast difference of the human males cuts and removes are tied, which prevent the transportation of a sperm. In some cases, the whole testis are removed. This is known as castration. Pubectomy. In this method, the oviducts or fallopian tubes of human females cuts and removes, which prevent the transportation of ovum and helps in the birth control. These are the different methods which are used in birth controls.